Hey, what's up? Brent from Brent Speed. Thanks for watching Brent Speed TV. Today I have another short one for you today. We installed a Roush Phase 2 supercharger on this 24 GT automatic. We're going to watch that dyno pull. We're going to go down and take a look. Hey, if you haven't subscribed, notified, stay up to date. Doug's with me as always. Let's go check it out. All right, here's what we have going. So it's a 24 GT automatic. Came in with 93 octane, which we data logged the car in the dyno. If this is 93, it was some poor 93. We'll talk more about it. Doug, come down here and take a look. The car was bone stock, minus these add-on Canon air filters. That was the only thing done to the car. Stock exhaust manifolds. We installed the Roush Phase 2 supercharger kit. Of course, you keep the dual throttle bodies. It's intercooled. I will put a link in the description. You can just click on. You can read a lot more about that, see what they cost. But right now, check out this dyno pull. All right, Dynojet SAE smoothing 5. Like I said earlier, car came in with what he thought was 93 octane, and we always log these cars to see what's going on. It would not run much timing on the dyno, which is typically a sign of either you don't have 93 or you have really poor 93. It's only run like 14 degrees. Car's making like 660 to the tires through the auto. I mean, not a horrible number, but we typically see on 93 octane a car like this run at least 17. Drain that out, put in fresh 93. Added some boostane, ran 20 degrees, check out the numbers, 706 raw horsepower, and about 7,500 Dynojet SAE smoothing 5. Love that, 564, 4,900, smooth curve, coming in, peaking 13.4 pounds of boost, stock exhaust manifolds, good air. That's kind of typical. We've been seeing that a lot in the weather we've had here in Indiana. Like I said, we're in Indiana, so you can email quote@brentspeed.com. What's this cost to get installed? We have them in stock. We can also ship it to your door. That's pretty much it for today. Leave a comment and don't forget that description. And also, you have questions like what the car like this make with headers? Do you want to add more boost? What's it do? I will put a link right at the end of this video. You can click on more S650 videos. Check that out. Thanks for watching.